Now students, we will start with the second complex tissue, and that is phloem. Phloem is responsible for conduction of food. Unlike xylem, where the conduction was from ground to upper side, but in case of phloem, the food is manufactured in leaves, and from leaves it is transported to upper side as well as to lower side, upper part as well as lower part. So two directional conduction is here, takes place, मतलब upper side, upper as well as lower, towards roots also, to roots also. Are you getting me or not? The food is manufactured by the process of photosynthesis in leaves, and from leaves it is supplied to upper sides, upper branches as well as towards roots also. The phloems are the components of the phloem. Here also 4 components. First, sieve tube. Second, companion cell. Third, phloem parenchyma. And fourth, phloem fibers. Out of these 4, first 3 are living, and only one phloem fiber is dead. So unlike xylem, here 3:1 ratio shows 3 are living and 1 is dead. Now structure of phloem. First we will draw the structure. So in case of phloem, such sieve tubes are arranged one above the other. In these parts, perforations are there. छोटे छोटे छेद होते हैं, perforations are there. With these sieve tubes, a companion cell is attached, possessing a nucleus. Now here normal parenchymatous tissues are present, which are known as phloem parenchyma. Phloem parenchyma. If you want to draw it separately, these are sieve plate. These are sieve plate. Sieve plates have many perforations, like the sieve of your house, sieve of your kitchen, to filter the floors. With this sieve tube, a companion cell is attached, possessing a nucleus. We have read during the study of nucleus that the sieve tube in plants do not possess nucleus. So this is sieve tube. This do not possess nucleus, and its work is controlled by the nucleus of companion cell. This is sieve plate. This is sieve tube. This is companion cell. This is phloem parenchyma. Is it clear? Now structure is clear. Sieve plate. These all take part in conduction of food material. Conduction of food materials, and these perforations help in conduction.